Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 6. That's right. Yikes. Week 6 screencast video. So, in this week's video, I want to talk a little bit about discussion boards 9 and 10, the annotated bibliography. I want to mention it one more time. Submissions are drifting in. Please check the grade center often. I'm getting some submissions in and taking action as quickly as possible. So please refer to the grade center in my comments about any annotated bibliography submissions. The annotated bibliography assignment will be closing somewhere during week 7. Discussion boards 5 and 6 will be closing on the 24th. That's Sunday, end of day. All right. I believe discussion boards 3 and 4 are closing out today on the 17th, end of day. All right. So in this week, we're going to be moving on to chapter 4, and chapter 4 is all about drafting the research essay. So we have a couple of activities to work through for this week, one of which is exercise 4.1 in the textbook. That's Dialogue with Dave. I have uploaded to let's get to the exercise folder here. There is the exercise folder. I've created new folders for discussion board number 9 and 10. I have 4. Discussion board number 9. I have uploaded a copy. It is a document for Dialogue with Dave. If you want to use this template, please make a copy for yourself so it save the original for others in class to answer these questions. These questions are pretty much replicated in the discussion board number 9 here, right here, right side, left side. So it's the same format as the double entry, left, right. Those are the questions, and do your best to answer these questions to help you focus your topic in moving toward presenting your information in the research essay draft. So it's a worthwhile conversation to have with the fictitious Dave. So I'm expecting some engagement here. One word, 2 word answers are really not going to be appropriate. I want actual discussions on the Dialogue with Dave activity for discussion board 9. Now, discussion board 10, I will cover in depth for the Friday due date during the weekly lecture video. It is I should say, it's a very important activity. This is where you actually write the introduction, your lead into your topic for your research essay draft. So I'll talk about chapter 4 and exercise 4.3 a bit in depth. For some of you, you might want to take a look at that activity there on pages 128 to 129. So that is this week's activity. Next week, during week 7, I want to just remind everybody that's when the research essay draft will be due. So we're moving toward the drafting, then peer review, then final draft, and the course will be over. All right. So if you have any questions about the schedule or due dates or assignments, please send me an email. As you get into chapter 4, you will see that it is all about pulling together the draft. And once again, I will talk about chapter 4, key points, and exercise 4.3 in this week's lecture video. Thank you. Good luck.